This video will go over how to register for a career fair hosted by the University of Alaska. We send all career fair information through Handshake. Please make sure your contact profile and employer profile are up to date in order to receive fair and event invitations. You can either click on the links sent in emails from Career Services or search for a fair in Handshake. From the Handshake homepage, click on Fairs in the left-hand menu. Search for the University of Alaska under Schools. A list will appear of any upcoming fairs that we are hosting. Click on the fair name to learn more. If registration has not opened yet, you will see a grayed out button with the date that you will be able to register. If registration is open, click Register. Read through the instructions and fill out all the necessary information. Select your registration type and fee, and then enter in which representatives will be attending. Also select if you'd like to add on any additional items. The University of Alaska typically allows for refreshment table contributions and will include your company logo on the refreshment table the day of the event. Your company description will carry over from the description in your employer profile. If your company has multiple divisions, select the division you'd like to register for the fair here. Next, tell us about the roles you are recruiting for. Select whether or not they are already posted on Handshake. If they are, you can select the jobs to link here. If you have not posted your jobs on Handshake, we ask that you please post them prior to the fair. Next, answer the work authorization questions. Then, select the employment types that you are recruiting for, as well as the job types, major groups, and school years. The University of Alaska accepts payment via credit card. Enter in your company's billing address and select that you've read and agree to the refund policy. Next, answer a few short questions that Career Services requires in order to best serve you at the fair. Click Next Page to move forward to the next questions, and fill these out as well. Continue to select Next Page until you've answered all of the questions in the employer registration survey, and then click Create Registration. Once Career Services has approved your registration, you will receive a confirmation email with more details and an invoice. You can click on the Pay Here links in the invoice to submit your fair payment. We look forward to seeing you at future fairs. Watch the other videos in this playlist to learn more about posting jobs, messaging students, and updating your company profile.